size. And use this.
Buy any KFC 10-piece meal or larger, and we'll throw in 2 more large sides free. That's 2 extra sides of your choice and 1 happy family. Today tastes so good.
Loyalty discounts, driver discounts, paperless discounts. Progressive keeps finding me new ways to save money on my car insurance. Be sure to save it forward. I see you're a healthy eater. You qualify for a healthy eater's discount.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
You're welcome. Dropping off the shopping cart discount.
Why are you doing that?
Because of the hundreds I saved at Progressive. And that's when I told her about Progressive All Right, look good, you managed yourself.
Sign up now for NASCAR Fantasy Live and go head-to-head against your friends in the first ever NASCAR game with live in-race scoring. NASCAR Fantasy Live, only at NASCAR.com.
Believe you're at your best when you can relax and be yourself. And at thousands of newly refreshed Holiday Inn hotels, you always can.